Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. The garden plot is the right place to show the talent of the designer. It is not necessary to follow strict canons when designing a landscape. A great addition to well-groomed flower beds will be original wood crafts for summer cottages. They differ in complexity, so each master will find a sample that he is able to do with his own hands. Varieties of country crafts made of wood. There are many options for decorating a summer cottage with wood crafts. In the manufacture of the simpler samples, children and grandchildren are attracted to the exciting process. Complex specimens will require woodworking skills and painstaking work. The whole variety of wooden crafts for giving is conventionally divided into groups. Hempen logs, which serve as the basis for planting flowers in the country. Saw cuts, boards, and wooden posts involved in the fencing of the flower garden. Funny figures made of plywood or all kinds of combinations of logs and branches. Household utensils made from branches or tree bark. Complex monumental figures that will become an accent area in the design of the country house landscape. Various decorative furniture made of logs and branches. Tables, chairs, armchairs, and benches. Spectacular paths laid out from saw cuts of wood. How do you look at these awesome ideas? We would love to hear from you. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.